versus Errol, you know, he's just kind of like a one-dimensional guy right now. You know, he's relying on power so much where it's kind of funny how you knock down Kell Brook, Chris Algieri, a few other guys, but you don't knock down Mikey Garcia. You know, that really don't tell me that he's that special. He's that special fighter that we all thought he was.
168 too high for you? I know you moved up many times when people didn't want to fight you. So in this case, if the other middleweights don't fight you.
Yeah, I mean, listen, the middleweight division, 154, 160, 168 is sort of same. You know, Errol Spence wants to fight somebody 2 weight classes under. Tell him to come up. He can fight 160, put the belt on the line, whatever he wants to do.
Oh, really?
Yeah, champion, man.
Well, I mean, Errol talked about, you know, he'll go to 160 fight Canelo. Never mentioned your name. So you would invite that fight, Errol?